good day for a ride, heading out for a little bikepacking trip in South Carolina.
Stepping out on the great lawns, new green shoots of the crop. There was a wind in the wild rough grasses and a broad swelling heat when it stopped. Standing at the edge of creation, at the base of the throne of the sky, by the mouth of the Tennessee River, where the birds of another world fly. Well, I must be on my way. Sharecroppers say it's barely even work for them. I come rolling back to town when my fortune comes around. Come and see your daughter again. I directed my stride to the river and the nearby grave beyond. The broken stalks of the harvest, pale as bone in the dawn, pulled forward and drawn onward like water called to the sea. My hands are always full or empty, and my boots are always carrying me. Sharecroppers say it's barely even work for them. I come rolling back to town when my fortune comes around. Come and see your daughter again. A big-eyed girl in the hallway, borrowed light from the moon. I kissed your lips in my own mouth. I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear I will be back soon.
Pretty good climb here. Not the fun part. Little side trip here to check out a waterfall. This is probably the most excited I've ever been to find a gas station. Quick shed.
I caught hope one-handed. It was 2 days old in the dirt. My arms grew weak in their sockets, like tender stalks of longing and hurt. If these are the fields of reckoning, if these are the days to debate, I would love to stay and talk it over, but sir, I am afraid it's too late. Well, I must be on my way. Sharecroppers say it's barely even work for them. I come rolling back to town when my fortune comes around. Come and see your daughter again. Well, I must be on my way. Sharecroppers say it's barely even work for them. I come rolling back to town when my fortune comes around. Come and see your daughter again. Alright.
Not gonna lie, this hill sucks. The campground was good, but I'm not sure if the climb out was worth it. Oh well, still got a way to go. This is pretty cool. Passing by the Highlands Cattle Ranch. Really cool. Lunch spot at Whetstone Horse Camp. Service road. Pretty easy ride and really pretty. Day 3. Pretty good time. I guess we're probably maybe 2/3 of the way through. Been great so far. Listening to little Wood Brothers along the way. Pretty good.